Welcome back. It was a cold one today here in Vacationland, finally feeling like winter again, and tonight's looking more like winter with the flakes starting to fall. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. That's for most of these areas shaded in brown, except for York County. It's until 7 a.m. But the snow will be well gone before we hit 10 in the morning. And our headlines, thing leading everything is the snow tonight, of course, and it'll be out of here by 9 a.m. latest. And then number 2, which is my favorite, 60s on Wednesday. The normal for this time of the year is in the mid-30s. There's a chance of a shower on Wednesday, but it's not going to be a washout. So it could be a day where you get outside and get to enjoy some warm weather. A little spring preview and no frigid temperatures in this 7-day forecast, all above freezing this week. So it's not just Wednesday that's warm. That's the warmest day. But 40s and 50s are in store. But before we get to spring, let's shift gears and go back to winter, because that's what we are dealing with right now. With the snow tonight, looking at 4 to 7 inches in southern Maine. That includes York County and Cumberland County east and south of Sebago Lake. Remember, this is a range. Don't just look at the top number and say that's what I'm going to get. The 7's probably more of an exception than the rule here. I expect most towns to be on the bottom end of this range. And then you go up to the north, Augusta, Lewiston, Freiburg, all of Kennebec County in the 2 to 5 range. And also, it's a range. So some towns may get 2 inches while some end up with 5 there. The storm is moving on through. It's marched through New York City. It's changing over to a bit of rain by Long Island, New York, and moving up through southern New England. And as it fills into Maine overnight, it's going to get heavy at times. Overnight's going to be the worst time to be on the roads, but by tomorrow morning, when most of us are waking up, this storm's going to be out of here. So if you're going to sleep now, short snowing, by tomorrow morning, you may be waking up to sunshine at 8 a.m., especially in western Maine. Freiburg, Sanford, Lake Arrowhead of York County, looking pretty good. Notice that snow, the back edge is already mid-coast Maine by Rockland. So by 9 a.m. mid-coast Maine, you're also done with the snow. The sun is out by the afternoon, 1 o'clock here, and temperatures are near 40 degrees. I think all towns top out right near 40 and most in the low 40s. So a rapid recovery as the temperatures bounce back up. And then come Monday morning, 7 a.m., sunshine to start the day, but then clouds move on in the afternoon, highs in the 40s with a shower possible. Looks like rain's more likely later in the nighttime. This is 8 p.m., but it's spotty. It'll move on through Tuesday. Warm day on tap. Look at these numbers, 57, 55, 56. Mid-coast Maine a little bit cooler in the 40s, but that's still very warm for this time of the year. Tonight, 27 snow, most of it's down to the south. Tomorrow, we're looking at highs in the low 40s after that snow leaves, and we're going to see a lot of sunshine, especially in the afternoon. Here's our 7-day forecast, first to the coast as always, and let's talk about it. It's here, 65 on Wednesday, high heat, a shower is possible, but wow, what warm weather for this time of the year. And then on Thursday, partly sunny and breezy. I should mention that some places, especially southern Maine, talking York County, maybe Sanford, that's a good candidate for it. You could touch 70 degrees on Wednesday. Thursday, partly sunny and windy. Friday, sunny and cooler, 42. And rain is possible on Saturday. Temperatures remaining mild in the 40s. So no big cold here. It's not really characteristic of February after tonight, Dan.
Meteorologist Adam Epstein is tracking where that warning is right now and the threat over the next few hours as well, Adam.
Greg, thank you very much. We're seeing this line of showers move across Oxford County right here, and this is that small cell that we're worried about. It's small, but it is potent, so we can zoom on in, and it's enough to warrant a severe thunderstorm warning. That's this yellow box. It's in effect until 5:45, so 45 minutes from now, this is still in effect. It's in East Stoneham, and these rainfall rates are impressive. You're seeing those dark shades of red right there. We can ID some of this. These are rainfall rates around 2-3 inches per hour, so downpours. Gusty winds included as well. This is headed for South Waterford, Harrison, Norway, and Paris. When you look for a tornado, a signature on the radar, 2 things you look for. 1, the hook echo, and you kind of see it right here. That's our hook. 2 is our velocity signature, and it's pretty strong here. It just moved, so this is progressing. We're seeing it move in real time here. Red's away from the radar, and green is towards the radar. So we're seeing rotation right over Harrison, Maine. If you have any friends in the area, please give them a call. Make sure they're inside, make sure they know what's happening, and make sure they are safe. I can tell you that the air show probably won't disappoint you. The weather definitely won't disappoint you. It looks excellent for both Saturday and Sunday, and that's because of high pressure centered over the Midwest. And with clockwise winds around high pressure systems, it brings this cool northwest flow in from Canada, keeps the air dry, and keeps us right around 70 degrees over the next couple days. Temperatures are still cooling off here this evening around Maine. Portland's dropped down into the 60s. Here in Brunswick, we're at 70 degrees at the Executive Airport. Other locations starting to dip down a little bit cooler slowly as we get closer to sunset. Take a look at the lows tonight. This is going to indicate that you'll need a sweater if you're going to stay out late. It's already starting to feel a bit cool here with the breeze. Lows near 50 in Portland, mid-40s inland, and finally our day planner for tomorrow. Quickly, just notice it's a cool start to the day at 60 degrees. Highs top out in the low 70s, but we're sunny from start to finish. Coming up in the full forecast, we'll talk about that air show forecast and how long this sunny stretch lasts. I'll send it back to you in the studio. Kim, thank you so much. I found out how to get on the sheep's good side, and it's just to give them some, hey, look, now we're friends, right? Oh, no, never mind. Whoa, whoa. All right, sorry guys, relax. It's okay. It's okay. All right, back to calm conditions. The farmhands told me do not try and pet them on the head and no fast movements. And if they charge at you, the best thing to do is get out of the way. That's 200 pounds going straight at your knees. That's a torn ACL waiting to happen. So I'm going to slowly walk on over here and talk about the current conditions. It's 44 degrees in Whitefield, New Hampshire right now. The main thing, it's very foggy outside. Not a pretty looking day, rain showers on and off. As we go into our 3-day forecast, our final school vacation forecast, tomorrow, more clouds, temperatures in the mid-50s, but it's hard to enjoy because we'll have drizzle throughout the day. Then Saturday night, we're looking at some heavier rain and then 1 to 3 inches of snow. As we go into Sunday to end the weekend, temps in the low 30s. It's a little bit brighter by the afternoon, but it's also breezy. And for Monday, back to school, back to work, temperatures near 40 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. How's that sound, guys? The alpacas, they're doing their own thing. The sheep are kind of afraid of me, and I'm okay with that. We can keep our distance from now. And if Whitefield, New Hampshire is a little bit too far away for you, you can go to Lincoln, New Hampshire for something else that's just as amazing. You could check out what they have. It's the ice castles. Take a look. Thank you so much, Kim and Greg. It was so nice today after the fog broke. I had to get outside. And right here, the tide's gone down tremendously. It's about 1 foot or 2 feet different. But let's talk about the weekend forecast because it's Friday. Why not? On Saturday, that'll be the warmer day here with temperatures rising into the mid-70s, although we could see some morning showers. Then as we go into Sunday, the temps, they take a tumble. We're in the mid-50s, so 20 degrees difference. And along the coast, a sea breeze will develop, so it's a little bit cooler there, but we could be in the upper 50s inland. Wednesday is coming to a close. The thunderstorms are done for the day, so let's take a moment to talk about the weekend. It's not too early for that. On Saturday, we'll start off mostly cloudy, and in the afternoon, towards the evening, might get some thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Still a bit muggy that day, but Sunday's the better half of the weekend. Sunshine, lower humidity, temps in the upper 70s. Outdoor events look like they're better suited for Sunday. Looks like a great day for people in vacation land. Here's a look at the Eastern Promenade in Portland from an aerial view, and you could see this fog bank right along the Eastern Prom. Pretty incredible to see. This is because of the humidity, all the moisture in the air. It just feels very muggy outside, and that's because of the dew point temperatures. 66 in Portland, 66 in Lewiston, Fryeburg, you're at 65, and dew points measure the amount of moisture in the air. We're in the 65 to 70 range, so that is uncomfortable. As we get towards Sunday, we'll be back in the 56 to 60 range, and on Monday, we're going to feel pleasant, a nice crisp feel in the air. So here's our dew point temperature trend. Tomorrow still very muggy, and then slowly but surely it goes down. Sunday's more comfortable, and there it is on Monday, 53 degrees, and that's going to feel like a different story. Our satellite and radar shows a cold front off to our west in Canada, and this is the front that gave us showers yesterday. It gave us storms today. It will give us thunderstorms tomorrow, Friday, and finally itself will pass by on Saturday. It's a very slow mover. It's stalled out to the west, and that's why it's taking so long for it to move on by. And day after day, it's providing us with a chance for showers. The remnants of today's showers are up to the north and northern Franklin and Oxford counties right here. Central and southern Maine, we're just dealing with clouds and a bit of fog tonight. Here's our storm tracker, and you can see the fog on the storm tracker right here off the coast, these lighter shades of gray. Tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., we are looking mostly cloudy, but very warm to start. Check out these temperatures near 70 degrees, and along with those warm temps, some high humidity. We'll see some breaks of sunshine. The clouds do crack, and then it sparks up some thunderstorms. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, very similar to today, we see some shades of green pop up on the map, a little bit of yellow here. That will indicate some thunderstorms. But I think the trend is it's the same direction as today. Most of this is inland towards the mountain. Maybe by Harrison, Bridgeton, see some thunderstorms. Most of this is to the north by Rangeley. Here we are at 7 o'clock. Still some pop-up showers and thunderstorms. And these are scattered, isolated events. It's not a widespread thing that we'll be dealing with tomorrow. And then we go into Friday morning, 8 a.m. Start off with some fog, some clouds, warm temps in the 60s. We'll see some clouds crack once again. And here we are at 5 o'clock on Friday. It's like a broken record. Similar story here. Some more showers and thunderstorms Friday afternoon into Friday evening, but most of that stays away from the coast. And then Saturday, the front itself appears here on the map, and it's this line of showers, and this will move over us, I think, late Saturday. So most of the day is dry, although we are mostly cloudy. Tonight's forecast, 65, mild and muggy with a slight shower shot. For the most part, we're done with the rain. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, partly sunny during the day, but there is an afternoon and evening thunder threat, so you have to keep your eye to the sky. Here's our 7-day forecast. First at the coast. Tomorrow, Friday, same setup. Saturday, the front itself moves through, and that sets us up for a wonderful, spectacular sunny Sunday. It's the brighter half of the weekend, 78 degrees. It's a great day to get outside here in Vacation Land. On Monday, low humidity here. We'll start off with sunshine, but clouds are climbing ahead of the next storm system. I'll flip these numbers to our inland forecast. And Monday, we're going to a high of 79 degrees. Tuesday, some morning rain, and then it should clear out by the afternoon. Cooler near 70. Wednesday, looks like pleasant weather here. Sunshine, 75, low humidity. Greg and Jen, doesn't get much better than that on Wednesday. I think that's perfect weather if I had to pick a certain day.
I agree.
Yeah.
And Sunday, Wednesday?
Sunday looks great too.
Great.
Yeah.
Right. Sunday is going to be a spectacular day as well. We just have to watch out for the thunderstorms the next couple of afternoons.
Yeah, not too bad.